Good morning is Wednesday, January 17th, and the majority of my day will be spent doing inventory, and if I do have any time, I will grind on this Kiritsuki Gyoto a little bit, well, more like a bunka. And so I'm gonna go linear, at least on the grind line for this one. Something I haven't done in Magna Cut yet, so I'm curious to see what it'll bring out in the steel. See if I can get a little different polish on it. But like I said, the majority of my day will be doing inventory. At least have Daniel back in the shop today, so hey, that's something cool. And here he is talking about what he's doing today.
Hey everyone, I hope you all had a great weekend. I know I was out an extra day and everyone stayed nice, warm and safe. But I am back in the shop now. Just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I am going to try and focus on helping Russell with the inventory, as well as maybe getting a heat treat for my D2 batch done and ready, so that way I can work on those later in the week. But the majority of it will be focused on inventory. I did kind of let you guys know a couple weeks ago, and leading up to these next, I would say another week or two, maybe even a little longer, we're gonna have a good amount of inventory coming in. So there will be a lot of new things we might not cover because we missed it or just going through things. I do know that I am just as backed up as Russell as far as knowing what to show you and what is new, because honestly, there's a lot. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and go into our favorite place with our favorite guy to talk about a knife that is also gonna be in stock along with the other things that we're talking about. Our guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the Civivi Stormhowl, which is one of their newer knives. So what you have here is you have Nitro-V stainless steel blades. This one is a Damascus. And they brought back a finish that they haven't done in a while. This is the black stonewash here with the satin. We had a couple of these knives on like the first edition of the Corsair, if you remember, years ago, that I absolutely love. Then you have an aluminum handle with a button lock. So one hand open, it does have a flipper, so you can open it with the button or the flipper, and we have this in 4 different colors, and then the one Damascus blade. So these are already in stock. These are some that came in before yesterday, so I got them in stock yesterday, and so they are ready to go.
Right on. All right, guys, like I said earlier, we've got a lot going on as far as inventory goes, so bear with us in making sure that we try to cover as much of everything that we have going in, and hopefully we can get those out to you in reviews and just kind of overview so you guys can make good choices on knives. So wrap it up here. See you on the next one. Stay warm.